Well, thank you for visiting your personal piano professor here again, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the 1-4-1-5-1 progression, a little bit about muscle memory, and some exercises you're going to need to know if you want to progress as a keyboard player. Just a little quick review, and I'm going to be working in the key of C right here. I like it because it has mostly all white notes. It's easy to see, so I just want to review. You should know your root position C chord by now, and you should also know that that C chord has 3 inversions, has 3 notes in it, so it's going to have 3 different ways of playing it. C in the bottom, C in the top, and C in the middle. Okay, same with the F chord, which is the 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to have those same positions. F in the bottom, F in the top, and F in the middle. Same with the G chord. The great thing about the key of C is that as you learn those inversions, they're kind of the hand position is the same for all of them because they're 3 white note chords. So the muscle memory is pretty easy. Once you've got one under your fingers, the other ones are going to come easy, the C and the F and the G. So anyways, the progression though, the 1-4-1-5-1 progression is used in just about every genre of music: country, blues, rock and roll, funk. So you're really going to need to know this little exercise and practice it with both hands. So basically it works like this. The C chord and the F chord have a common note, and that common note is C. There's a C in the F chord, of course a C in the C chord. So when we're going to move, we don't jump from C to F this way. You can, but it's a lot of wasted hand motion. We keep the C note, and we just move those 2 notes up to get the F chord. Now here's a little cute thing. Okay, now to get to the G chord, the G and the C chord have a common note too, and that's the G. The G note is in the C chord, it's also in the G chord. So we're going to hold that G chord, G note, and find the rest of the chord down there. So now we've got this little progression. Okay, and that's your basic 1-4-1-5-1. 1-4-1-5-1 progression. Now, of course, if you're going to learn it in one hand, you might as well learn it in both. Okay, and you're going to want to do that little exercise with all of your major chords that you know, especially the ones that you're using in songs. And if you're more progressed, you're going to want to learn it in all the different keys, all 12 of them. Now, not only can you start from the root position of the C chord and do the progression, you're going to want to start from all of them. Now, here's the first position C chord with the C in the top, and you go to C, F, C, G, C, again tying over those common notes between the chords. Then you do it again from the second position C chord, which is C in the middle, and you've got that going on. So you want root position C chord, first position C chord, and second position C chord. Okay, and then you're going to want to do it with your other chords too. Let's say you play a lot in the key of G. It'll be a little bit different. You'll have G, C, G, and D with the little F sharp because it's in the key of G. Okay, same thing. Okay, so you're going to want to try that in all the different keys. Start with the ones you're using for your music today, and as you progress, add those keys that you're going to be using in songs. So that's a little bit about how that exercise works. Again, this is about muscle memory, being able to go to the different chords quickly and easily, and also visually you'll start to see the patterns in the keyboard too. So once again, I thank you for visiting me, your personal piano professor, and take some time to move around the website. You might find some things that will help you out in your playing. And as always, fill out one of the contact forms and let me know who you are, what you'd like to learn, and I'll produce more and more pages and hopefully more videos to help you along your way. Thanks a lot.